Yan ang masarap.
He's really excited.
Karon pare dyan.
Okay, so this is what we call as butot or the sagu worm. Okay, so this butot is we have 3 ways of eating it. So first, you can stir fry with some onion, with some chili. That you eat them alive. So eating them alive is how we eat it in this place.
Okay.
So this is actually full of protein, and then the inside, I don't want to tell you yet. If you want to know how it tastes like, you have to try it on your own.
Ikaw na.
You don't want to hold?
It's better when you
How do we eat it?
Okay, so how do you eat? You pinch the head and then you put in your mouth and you pull. You don't eat the head, you eat the body only. Oh yes, yes.
while eating,
It's better when you
Eat it pure.
Sa ibang muna.
Jabel, what can you say?
You guys want to do together? No?
Go.
Him first.
Oh, tigas. It's chewy.
Yeah, chewy, very chewy. Yeah, you pinch the head and then you bite it and you pull. Very good, right? Very tasty.
Pwede nga. Wala ayoko.
Yeah. Be careful. You hold it like this.
sa ulo mo hawakan. Sa ulo dito.
Nanginginig siya.
Sa ulo dito.
Siya yung excited.
Sa ulo mo hawakan. Sa ulo mismo, yung gilid ng ulo.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, kaya sa ulo.
Nanginginig siya.
Barbarian feeling. Gusto mo sabay-sabay tayo? Sige, solo ka muna.
Masarap nga, Marion.
Sa ulo mo hawakan sa gilid para hindi ka makagat.
I-pinch mo.
Yan, sa gilid ng ulo. Sa gilid ng ulo, sa katawan. Sa gilid. Yan. Tapos kakagatin mo sa ngayon. Walang lasa, di ba?
Video daw, Marion.
Oh, isa pa.
Ayoko na.
Video na.